Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Affinito back with the Simbi Replay Show to show you another digital tool to support students' reading and reading comprehension online in virtual settings. Today's tool is Mentimeter, and I want to show you how to use Menti to help students capture the themes of the books they're reading and come together as a community to discuss them. So Mentimeter, or Menti for short, is a collection of interactive presentation tools that are designed to engage learners, teachers, and students. There's a bunch of features that I love, like multiple choice, word clouds, ranking, helping rate things with scales, and Q&A slides as well. So the word cloud slide is there on the right as an example, and I simply ask students to name one word that best captures the theme of the book they're reading. Now you can do this in two ways. If you're reading a whole class book where the students are all reading the same text, you can ask them for your opinion on what that theme is. And then all of the students enter in their ideas, and Menti magically computes them as they are entered into this very colorful, very friendly, interactive word cloud. Now you'll notice here that the word freedom is larger than the rest. That means that more students pushed in freedom as their theme. And so as the words get larger, it means that more students think that same thing. So if you're reading a whole class text, you can use this to generate theme ideas. And then based on the one that's the biggest, that most of the students agreed on, that could be the theme that you talk about, you discuss, and maybe even write about. As another alternative, if students are all reading different books, they can do the same thing. They can come in, they can put the theme in that best captures the theme of their particular book, and then use that word cloud to launch a conversation around the books that we're all reading and what we're learning. It's really simple to do. So this is an image of my dashboard, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to create one. I simply make my account in Mentimeter.com. Once I do, I click New Presentation, and I'm just going to put in Simbi Replay. I'm going to click Create, and as simple as that, I'm ready to go. You can see you can pick which kind of slide you'd like. My favorite's the word cloud, so I'm going to click on word cloud. I'm going to enter in what is the theme of the book you are reading. I'm going to allow students 3 entries because sometimes those themes aren't always apparent, so I give them some multiple opportunities to share their thinking. And that is it. So what you would do is present this on your screen, whether in person or virtual, and direct students to go to menti.com and type in that code on the top. Now that code will change based on the slide and when you're pulling the slide up. So always direct students to look at the top. Go ahead and put that number in. Spaces are not needed. It's just for our brain to wrap our head around the numbers a bit. When students go there, they'll be directed to type in their themes. And when they do, real live time, those themes will come marching into here and will immediately scramble around to represent a word cloud similar to the one that you just saw. So you keep this up front and center. They go to menti.com so that they can see the magic happen. Now, here's your quick replay, right? Step by step. Go to mentimeter.com, create your account, open up your dashboard. Click on New Presentation, give it a name, choose the type of presentation you want to create. I recommend word cloud for sure. Write your content, including your questions and your choices if you're doing a multiple choice question instead, and then click Present. Have students go to menti.com, enter in the code, and students watch the results come in from your view on your presentation screen. That's it. Quick and easy, and you can modify this in so many ways to help students share their thinking around their books and build deeper comprehension. I definitely hope that you give this one a try as well.